Hello and welcome to another tutorial by OD Applications. In this video we're going to be showing you how to extract your downloaded template from CodeCanyon. So if you've already downloaded the ODAppsView, simply go ahead and put it to your desktop, and here we can go ahead and extract to the desktop. So simply just go ahead and select on Extract All, and we'll select it here with the same folder and select on Extract. Great, so now that it's been extracted, we can go ahead and open this up within our Visual Studio editor. So what we've noticed is some people were having issues that this was actually too many folders when extracting it. So what we recommend now is, once you've fully extracted the source code here, like we have just done, what you'll want to do is take this folder here and simply go ahead and rename it to like source, or simply just one, and take this folder and put it on the desktop. That way we can go ahead and close the rest of these, and you can still have this folder there for the documentation and whatnot that's inside here. So now that we have extracted the ODAppsView template, we can go ahead and double click on it and actually open up Visual Studio. So to do so, we just double click on ODAppsView, and you'll just go ahead and see where it says keep using this app, or you can use another option we recommend with Visual Studio. So go ahead and click on OK, and we can close this folder now. So as you can see here, Visual Studio is now loading up the project files. We can see on the bottom left and in the middle of the screen, it's currently loading the solutions and those projects. So this is a developer setting that you might have pop up while you're doing this for the first time. You can go ahead and just click on close. This is completely fine, but this is on how your UWP will install these apps. So basically, for developer features, only install apps from the Microsoft Store, sideload apps, or install any signed and trusted app, use advanced development features. You can go and select that if you're having issues with your development builds on Windows UWP. But we'll go ahead and close that. And we can see here there is a Visual Studio update required. The project below requires a platform SDK UAP version of this. So what we'll do is go ahead and click on OK, and that way it can also install any packages that we're missing while it's currently loading. We can see here that it is still currently loading. We have the green bar, and also there's only 5 of 4 projects, so there should be 5 of 5. So we'll go ahead and let it finish its loading. We can also see here it's installing different NuGet packages that are being referenced, and we'll go ahead and let those download as well, for these are the packages that are required to work with this project. Alright, cool. So it appears that everything has been restored, completed. So what we'll want to do is come up here to Build and simply Clean Solution. Keep in mind here that it still says 5 of 4 projects, so we'll adjust that momentarily. So here we'll do a clean. Clean was succeeded. What we can do is Build, and we'll do a Rebuild Solution. Great, so we can see here that rebuild all 5 succeeded, 0 failed. So being that we still have 5 of 4 projects, let's go ahead and see if we can fix that. So if we go to Configuration Manager, we can see here that everything is being selected as build, so we can go ahead and close that. If you're still having this issue, we might want to do is close solution. So we just close the solution, and then we'll go ahead and exit out of Visual Studio. We can go ahead and either open up Visual Studio from the Windows taskbar here by scrolling for Visual Studio 2019, or you can open up your solution folder like so and clicking on ODAppsView. We'll let Visual Studio open up again. Again, you may have the settings pop up here requesting you to switch to developer mode. So to do that, you just click on yes, and now you're on developer mode, and you can enable or disable these settings. Cool, so now we can see here that 5 of 5 projects have been loaded. We'll go ahead and let the restore finish. We should appear one more finished here once it completes. And it appears that we are ready to go. We have both finished buildings. So now what we're able to do is continue on with the chunk of this. So go ahead and watch our next upcoming video in the tutorial, so that way you can learn exactly how to edit and which files to change and actually see these changes take place within your mobile application. Thank you guys, and see you on the next tutorial.